Hello students, welcome to EC Engineering. The last video we discussed a simple substitution oriented tutorial problem regarding an DC generated EMF equation. In this video again we are seeing a simple problem in the same category of DC generator. First we'll go through the problem and try to understand the data given for the same one. A 4-pole generator with wave wound armature has 51 slots, each having 24 conductors. The flux per pole is 0.01 Weber. At what speed must the armature rotate to give an induced EMF of 250 volt? And what will be the voltage developed if the winding is lap connected and the armature rotates at the same speed? So after viewing the informations given, we list out the data required to solve the problem and what should be the requirement. We'll see it in detail. A 4-pole generator. So given data P equal to 4. Wave wound is given. So consider the given database is for wave connected machine. Then it has 51 slots, means each having 24 conductors. So 51 slots, for each slot having 24 conductors. So what should be our Z? 51 each with 24 conductors. So we need to multiply 51 into 24, which comes arrived 1224 conductors. This is actual Z. Then flux per pole phi is equal to 0.01 Weber. What is the question asked? What should be the speed, or what speed must the armature rotate in order to induce EMF 250 volt? So EMF EG equal to 250 volts. We know the formula behind an EMF equation. EG equal to P phi Zn by 60A. What is the required thing is N. So we are simply rearranging the things where N is equal to EG 60A divided by P phi Z. So making a substitution, EG 60 for wave wound A equal to 2, pole 4 5.01, conductors 1224. The arrived speed is 612.74. Unit of speed is RPM. That's it, completed. First subdivision. We'll pass on to the next subdivision. In the next subdivision, they were given what will be the voltage developed if the winding is lap connected. What will be the voltage developed if the winding is lap connected and the armature rotates at the same speed? So it is easier for us. it is given as lap connection. So for this subdivision, A equal to P equal to 4. Armature speed that we calculated in a previous section. So this is what the thing. N is equal to 612.74, where Eg known by as number of poles as far as an parabola concerned, P equal to 4. If P equal to 4, because of an lap connection, A equal to 4, then rest of the things are known. Speed taken from an previous subdivision, mere substitution and make a calculation in a calculator, Eg comes around 125 volt. And students, this is also very simple thing to understand. Hopefully you can practice in your home and make an calculations in a calculator in order to make a familiarity over a written things and calculator operations. Simply viewing and problem while I am teaching is easier, but making a possibility of practicing is make the things in a fruitful. Thanks for your understanding. Go through the video and comment on the section and may try to understand. If you have any doubts over, you can make an WhatsApp contact. You knew all my numbers. Then only make an like button for making a notifications and all the supports for other students benefit also. Thank you students. Thanks for your understanding.